Let us look at question 6 from the CSEC Mathematics January 2025 paper. Remember that you should make an attempt at working out these questions before you watch me work them out. Alright? Also, remember to subscribe to the channel if you're not, and share the video with somebody else. Now, in this question, use pi equals 22/7. Okay? So, and remember, any questions, comments, alright, I want you to place them in the comment section and I'll respond if needed. Alright, use pi equals 22/7. A piece of wire 61 centimeter long is bent to form a sector. By the way, I had copied it over here. So it's bent to form a sector. So you bend the wire, and the entire wire is all of this sector. Alright? As shown in the diagram below. This, the sector of the circle, OPQ, okay, has center O and a radius of 18 cm. Show that X is approximately 80 degrees. Okay. So you must show that X is approximately 80 degrees. By the way, let me do something here. 3 marks for that, right? Show that you have quite an amount of work to do for those 3 marks. Now, the fact is that the entire circle, for an entire circle, right? It's not here they're talking about here, it's arc length. The arc length of the entire circle is called the circumference. And the circumference, I just call it CIR, is 2 pi times the radius, alright? But if you get a portion of the circumference, you can call it an arc length. For example, you form a sector. The arc length would be from here to here. The arc length is 2 pi r. That will be the entire circumference multiplied by the proportion of the angle over 360. Alright? So, in this case, you can call the angle theta, or in this case, x over 360. You see that? Now the thing is, you have the entire piece of wire, 61 centimeter. What you need to know is what is this length here. Alright? Call it L. Now, you have 18 here. This must be 18 as well. So this would have to be 18 centimeters from here to here. You see that? So L would be the entire 61 minus, so you take off 18 on this side, and then you take off another 18. So you see that? So it's 61 minus 18 minus 18. What is that? Let's just use a, alright, let's do it on the screen. So it's 61 minus, alright, negative 18 minus 18 is what, 36? If you say 61 minus 36, borrow 1 from 6, you get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 5 here. 5 minus 3 is 2. Right. So, what you have is 25. You see that? Because you have the 61, you take 18, take off this 18 and you take off this other 18. So what you have left is 25. So the arc length L is equal to 25 centimeters. Now what happened after this? The arc length 25, using this formula here, the arc length of 25 is 2 times, they said to use 22 over 7 times radius is 18 times x over 360. You see that? Alright, so 25 is equal to, let us use a calculator to work that part out. So we have 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 equals multiplied by 18 equal 113.143. 113.143. Let's keep it to at least 3 decimal places while we're working. Multiplied by x over 360. So if you multiply both sides by 360 now, if you multiply by 360, 360 would cancel itself and it would multiply with 25. Alright? So we say 25 times 360 is equal to 113.143x. So x would be equal to, divide both sides by 113.146. You have 25 times 360 over 113.143. Let's switch the left hand right around and say x is equal to, alright, so what do we get for this now? Let us see. 25 multiplied by 360 and then you divide by 113.143 equal 79.54. 79.54. When you round this off to the nearest degree, well, you get 80 degrees. So you show that it's approximately 80 degrees. Alright? Now, let's see what else is going on. Calculate the area enclosed by the wire. 2 marks for that. Let's copy this thing and put it over. Paste. Where did it go? Alright, here it is. So the next thing you want to do is to calculate the area enclosed by the wire. Let's do that over here. How do you calculate the area of a sector? Well, you know that for the circle, the area of the circle is pi times radius square, pi r square. So the area of the sector is equal to pi r square times the angle. Usually I use theta, Greek letter theta, but since let's say x here, is angle times x divided by 360 degrees. Alright? So the area of the sector is equal to 22 over 7 times radius 18 squared. Was 18, right? Okay, 18 squared times 80 divided by 360. is approximately 80. So let's use the 80. All right, so let's see how this goes. All right, let's use our calculator and work it out. All right, so let's go for our calculator here. Oh, all right, I still have a 79 point something. 79 point that divided by 80 equals, not divided by 80, I need to restore it. It's not 80 I divide by. That divided by 360 equal, right? Multiplied by 18 squared, so 18 multiplied by 18 again equals that, okay. Multiply by 22, you get that, over 7 equal 225, right? So it is 225 centimeters square. So that's that. All right, so what else do we have here? I guess the other part, the question continued. Okay, so we have part C. Let's look at part C in our next video.